video here is a bit of a shorter one, but it's more of a review video because today we get our new internet put in, our Wi-Fi 7 from EE. I've been with EE Wi-Fi for, I would say, over a year now, and they just released Wi-Fi 7, which is apparently incredible speeds compared to normal Wi-Fi's 5 and 6. Well, I really don't think there is a 6 maybe. I know some providers are still providing Wi-Fi 5, but we're now getting Wi-Fi 7. So let's get this unboxed to show you, get it set up, and show you how fast our internet is. Our internet at the minute is incredible, but when you see apparently this is faster. So they sent us the main box and also a booster. So let's get it open. Well, this is the EE Smart Hub Pro. So let's get it unboxed. So let's get this open. We'll show you this one first. I've actually partially opened this one here at the bottom, but we'll get this one open first. All right, here we go. There we go. There we are. It's quite a smart looking box, isn't it? It's quite trendy. So let's get that set down there. Get that out of the way, and let's get this other one up. There we go. There's the main box there, if I can get it open. There we are. That's the main box there. Wi-Fi 7 from EE. So it's quite a trendy. Obviously got all your necessary connections back there. And also on the booster, you have just your power button, Ethernet cables connection, and your refresh button. So let's get this connected up and see what sort of speed we're getting. Just to show you what you get inside the main box as well. You get your standard power cable for the sides to come out. Obviously all your other bits and bobs as well. So that's your power lead. Obviously you have to use your previous cables that you already have, which is a bit of a nightmare, but hey ho. Oh, that would happen. There's another cable. There we go. Bonus. Right, let's get it connected up. All connected up. This is the thing I really like. Look where they keep the pass key. Just clips off the back. It's quite cool. It just slides back in there. If it decides to go back in. I'm trying to hold the camera at the same time. Oh, come on, go in there. There we go. Right, let's get that little tiny back up in there. So there you go. The new hub wired up. Right, let's go and do a speed test on this one first of all. Well, after doing the speed test, as you can see, we were averaging around about 1 gig per line, which is actually very, very good. It is sort of fluctuating between 1 gig and 1.4. Now, that's a wireless connection, which is actually really, really good. We did try my laptop on a wired connection, and we were getting around about 1.5 gig, which is very, very good for the area that I live in here in Northern Ireland. So yeah, all good. So cannot complain. The speed's a lot better than what it was. So Wi-Fi 7 for me gets a thumbs up. So there you have it. EE Wi-Fi 7. Fully installed. Our extension box has been installed as well, our extender, and it's doing very good speed as well. So I can't complain. It's a lot quicker and a lot faster. So hope you've enjoyed this wee review of our new internet. So I'm really, really happy, which means the vlogs on our channel can upload really, really quickly, even better now as well. So, and obviously Lewis is a lot happier with his gaming and whatnot because he's getting a better connection for his gaming too. And EE have even offered us another extender for upstairs as well if we wanted one. So Lewis can connect his PC in wired instead of wireless. So it's even better for his gaming. So all good, can't complain. EE Wi-Fi 7, good speeds, and the price we got for it as well, which is really, really good. So this review I would give out of 10. I would give maybe an 8 or 9 out of 10. Obviously, all good, so no complaints at all. EE Wi-Fi is definitely worth the money.